Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix monitor defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this overview, we will review the Sidestream capnography capability of the Zenix monitor defibrillator. To connect the Nomoline sampling line, slide the spring-loaded port connector door toward the rear of the device. Insert the fitting end of the sampling line into the CO2 inlet port connector until the fitting clicks into place. Check that the light emitting gas inlet indicator shows a steady green light indicating that the CO2 module is ready for use. Apply the sampling line to the patient. The device automatically starts monitoring the patient's End-Tidal CO2 and displays the waveform and CO2 numeric. Within seconds, the patient's respiration rate in breaths per minute is also displayed. If the sampling line becomes occluded, Zenix will alert you. Note that the light emitting gas inlet indicator blinks red in this condition. Verify that the occlusion is not due to a pinch or a bend. If necessary, replace the current Nomoline with a new one and continue monitoring. If the Nomoline becomes dislodged, Zenix will alert you. Reattach or replace the sampling line and continue monitoring. Highlight and select the CO2 window to adjust general settings and alarms. Select Off for the CO2 monitoring option to cease monitoring End-Tidal CO2. We have now reviewed the capnography features of the Zenix monitor defibrillator.